Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video and another review. So today we are diving into the world of home security with the Luckily Vision Elite Video Smart Lock, an award-winning device that sets a new standard for smart locks. So stick around till the end as we explore all the features and benefits of this exceptional product. So with no further ado, let's jump straight to the installation. The installation was straightforward with common household tools. The lock also features rekeying capabilities, allowing you to replace the key cylinder without changing the entire lock, which is one of the features that I personally find really great and convenient. The Vision Elite is equipped with a full HD video camera, infrared, night vision, and a motion sensor, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The built-in solar panel ensures the lock remains powered even during extended periods of use. HD optics with night vision allow you to view, record, and stream every visitor from head to toe, capturing the finest details. The device includes a 32GB micro SD card for local storage, eliminating the need for monthly fees, which is really important, especially nowadays that every product has a monthly fee subscription, and having the option just to plug in an SD card and get rid of the monthly fees is really convenient, and you save a lot of money this way. With two-way audio, you can communicate with visitors directly from your smartphone. Unlocking the Luckily Smart Lock is highly versatile with multiple methods. The patented Pen Genie digital keypad, a 3D biometric fingerprint reader, mobile app control, voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, and a revocable scan to open QR code. And also it has a physical key, which is the last resort in case something went wrong. You can grant one-time use or time-specific access via e-keys and e-badges, or provide offline access codes for trusted users without requiring Wi-Fi. The advanced fingerprint sensor offers quick access with recognition in just 0.3 seconds and unlocking in 0.5 seconds, storing up to 99 fingerprints. The peek-proof Pen Genie keypad ensures security by changing the number locations each time you press, preventing others from guessing your code, which is high security method. The Smart Motion sensor detects movement day or night, sending alerts to your smartphone or auto-recording whenever motion is detected. You receive notifications for any tampering attempts, allowing you to monitor and control the lock status remotely. With auto lock enabled, the lock will automatically secure the door based on your customized settings, ranging from 5 to 300 seconds. In conclusion, I would say that the Luckily Vision Elite Video Smart Lock offers unmatched convenience, performance, and security for your home. So if you are looking for a powerful and versatile smart lock, look no further than the Likely Vision Elite. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Likely Vision Elite Video Smart Lock. If you found this review helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more related content. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. And don't forget to check out the link in the description if you want to get your hands on this amazing device and upgrade your home security and your lifestyle. See you in the next video. Peace.